Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Christmas is right around the corner, and one of the things about Christmas is that it can be really hard to go green sometimes for two reasons. One, everyone loves to wrap everything, and most wrapping paper is not recyclable. And two, the kids are really smart, especially if they're really into Santa. I love a good wrapping paper. It is one of my favorite things, is having all the gifts wrapped, but a lot of wrapping paper isn't actually recyclable. So I try to make a point of finding recyclable paper. This year I was able to find some really great brown paper. It looks like brown craft paper almost, but it's recyclable, and it had really cute Christmas prints on it. 100% recyclable, which was important. But the other thing that we do to go green is we try to use as many reusable items as possible. So we like to do things like gift bags, fabric bags, and boxes. Those are some of our favorite things to use because we can use them again and again. But then the problem becomes when you have little kids that they kind of start to catch on when they get the same thing in boxes that look identical year after year. One of the things that we do is we have pajama boxes. So our kids get pajamas on Christmas Eve from the pajama elves, and they come in the same box every year, the same little green box. And so our kids asked us last year, especially Lexi being a little bit older, was like, Mom, how come Santa brings us the same box every year? Like, it even has our name on it. And so we had to figure out, how do we explain recycling and reusing products like bags, boxes, even bows, when they remember them from last year? How do we justify that? How do we get Santa to be green without ruining the Christmas magic? And we came up with a really cool idea. What we do is on Boxing Day night, we take all of our boxes, bags, even our bows, and we put them all under our Christmas tree. Anything that can be reused again goes under the Christmas tree, and the kids go to sleep. That night, we pack it all up and we take it away, and we tell them that Santa, who is a big supporter of green initiatives, because of course he lives in the North Pole, which is threatened by climate change, and he doesn't really want to move his whole operation to a warmer climate. It just doesn't work for him, reindeer and all that. So we tell him, because of that, Santa is really into going green, and so he has a whole team of recycling elves that come, they pick up all the items, they bring them back to the North Pole, they mend them, store them, and then they can reuse them the next year. And so this little Boxing Day tradition has really taken hold in our house, and it's a great way to balance going green and reusing as much as we can and having reusable packaging with the magic of Christmas. So hopefully this was a great idea, and that's something you guys can do in your home, because going green helps everybody, even during the holidays. So if you like this idea of the Boxing Day tradition, or any of our other ideas on our YouTube channel, Raising A to Z, make sure you hit subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That's where we post things almost daily. And we love to chat with you guys, and it's probably the best place to do it. See you soon. Bye.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!